I don't know. I think we're live, but I gotta go do something. Okay, 3 minutes. I'll set up the next puzzle. I'm not gonna try go fast this time. I don't think we're gonna make the leaderboard. And probably the best chance of making it is just thinking carefully and input 17.txt. Oh, thank you, Visual Studio, for adding the .txt. Oh, it's my fault. Never mind, Visual Studio. I'm sorry I ever doubted you. Add new item. Code. Puzzle 17. This guy, we want to copy it to the output directory. Copy if newer. Okay, and then this guy, public puzzle 17 string file name. Right, and then in program we are gonna. I don't think we need that there, so I'm just gonna comment it out. I probably won't run these again, so who cares if they don't actually work after I mess things up. Yeah, that's obviously not going to run because it's missing this variable. Okay, input 17. 1 minute. Nobody is in chat. Well, I'm in chat, so I can just talk to myself. T minus 45 seconds. Carlos. Oh! Okay. I think I can't click it as soon as it unlocks for some reason. Oh no, I can. Alright. Oh, this thing. Okay. I think this is called the coin packing algorithm or something like that. Circle packing? I don't know. Okay. That's not too bad. So there's actually no input, I think. Oh, maybe not. No, there is input, okay. What is this? Right, so this is the input. Okay, and then we'll go through and we'll just read a list of strings, right? List int equals container sizes. Okay. Oh no, I forgot to copy that thing. I always forget something. I should make a template. Or figure out a smart thing to do. That was a lot of code for not last week, yesterday's puzzle. Okay. Container sizes dot add line int dot parse line. Okay, so fill up the list. Are they unique? No. Okay, so I think, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So immediately I thought there was 50, and that meant we could go 50, 50, 50. We only have one 50 container, size 50 container. So my idea is you start doing permutations, but then we stop permuting when we go over 150 or we hit 150. Yeah, so let's do that. Okay. Permute. I never know what to call these permutation things. Private void permute. So int. Yeah, just keep using lists. List int. Formed list. Int main list. And then what's this? 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 I don't think we need anything there. Okay, so form list is just going to be new list int, perhaps. It's an empty list. The remaining list is going to be it's just going to be the whole list, which is called container sizes. Oh no, wrong. So we want to take an element out of a list. I kind of want to work in arrays. No, let's not work in arrays. So first off, this ain't right. We gotta go like this. For in I equals 0, I less than container sizes. Count I plus plus. Because we want to start permuting. We want to have a different start element each time. Because that's only fair. Okay. Then I want something like chop. Basically, I want to take an array and remove one of the elements, and then form a new array with that element, and then pass in. So this thing's fine, but I need some sort of. I think I need some sort of helper method. Chop list. Permute. No, chop. No, just chop list. List index int index to remove. So var return list equals new list int, and then list dot remove at. Okay, so list dot no wait, okay. Return list equals copy to. It's got to be there. How do we copy a list to another list? Return list dot add range. Okay, list. Return list dot remove add index to remove, and then return list. Somebody please tell me a better way to do this. Okay. Okay, so formed list formed equals new list int can we pass in an array? I think we can. And then new int container sizes I think that's okay. So we got the formed list for remaining list equals chop list. Container sizes I. Then we permute formed list. I like it when these names match these names. It makes it easier. Oh, they don't match. Okay. These names match these names. It makes it easier to like call your code. It's even nicer in something like Swift or Objective-C. Okay, so we got that, and then we come in there, and we're gonna go across the form remaining list again. Yeah, let's just do it. So for int I equals 0, I less than the remaining list dot count. Oops. I++. And I think we're going to do the same thing, which is, no, not that. We're going to do this, which leads me to believe that I could write it better. Why would that not be okay? Oh, okay. Where did the container sizes come from? Is it a member variable? No, I don't want it to be a member variable. Because I don't want stuff like that to happen where it gets called unexpectedly. Okay, good. Chop list remaining list. It looks like we're doing the same thing, right? So maybe I could just call permute. Not sure. I think it's probably okay. It looks like we're just calling this, that calls this, that calls itself again. And then these two are exactly the same, so like, why not just go straight into there? We don't want to permute just yet, so we only want to int sum equals formed list dot sum. It isn't linked great. You can just do that. You can just sum it up. Okay, so we got the sum, and then if the sum equals 150, it's a question. How many different combinations? Okay. If sum equals 150, write it out. If sum greater than 150, console not right line. Hooray! Looks like we did something wrong. Let's break after here. Form list is, yeah, it's got one element. It's 50. That's kind of expected. Oh, it's very large. That's the problem. It's so large that I think permutations is not gonna work. Hi Angus, I clicked the link, but pretty much nothing there. What link? What link? What link? What link? What link? Hey Kristen, I don't know what link you're talking about. I think it's because I did not change the title of... Oh yeah, I haven't changed the details for my for this stream, so it should not be correct. It's basically a game I'm working on. I could change it back, but I mean, yeah, I'll change it back. Cool, that's better. Okay. So, I think it's probably just running for ages. Wait. Oh, wait. Yeah. It's just running for ages, I think. So chop list is kind of like just a helper function, so I'll put it further down. It's not so important. And let's see. I'm just worried it might not terminate. Let's just output the sum actually. That'll give us some output to look at. Yeah, I see the problem already. So it is not terminating, and it's because of this stupidness. So we got the remaining list, but we actually want to add. Yeah, so we want to add form list equals new form list, and then fl.add remaining list I. And I think that will make it terminate. Maybe not. Maybe like because there's 20 factorial. It's huge, right? What is 10? I don't even know how big that is. So it just may not terminate. So we need a new approach. Yeah. So actually, if it's greater than 50, we only want to continue permuting if it's under 150. It's a lot of combinations. And it's hard to tell if it's going to stop. Where's Topaz? I need some help. I need him to tell me I need to use a different method because I think that might be the case. Let's see if anyone's finished it. Ooh, people have. Wow, that's fast. Oh, it's all done already. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so actually instead of just doing this, we actually want to break out. So this one, I guess it's easy because everyone finished it really fast. It's taking forever. I know from yesterday, if I remove the logging, it should be faster. So let's do that, but then we won't know what's going on. Maybe we'll just keep the arrays. Still a lot of arrays. Is it done? No. Looks like it's done. No, it's not. I think we're still wrong somewhere. We're still being idiots. It might not also. It just might. It still might not be terminating. Let's just remove all the logging and then write in a. Also, I want to do this private static int count 0. And then if it's 150, count plus plus. Okay. And then once we get down here, console key. So about right line count equals plus count. Okay, so that'll give us some output if it happens to work. I'll run it for like, I don't know, 20 seconds. But before that, I mean, the biggest permutation we were doing was 7 or 8. And then and that's 8 factorial, 7 factorial. And then bumping that up to 20 is a big increase. It increases factorially. And I'm pretty sure that you can't use this strategy on this area. Yeah, okay, it's still not working. So let's see. Let's see if this remaining list is reducing in count. It should be. It's not. No, it isn't. It isn't. Count. So it's like 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13. I think it's just too many permutations, so we need a new method. And 22. I think you have some ideas like involving prime numbers. Because I feel like if you have these two together, like these two, it looks like 46 is not a prime number. It looks like there's some way to know like that certain elements can be eliminated, I think. So because it's a round number 150, yeah, okay, so one idea is there might actually be a container size that is just irrelevant because it'll never pack in, and I think it might be 7. No, 7 goes to 43. So I'm just gonna look for a number that doesn't have a pair. So 4, it's got 6, 9 has got 1, 2 has got 8, 6 has got 4, 8 has got 2, 6 has got 4, 0 is fine, 21 has 9, is there a 9? Yes. 7 has got 3, 8 has got 2, 3, 7, 0 is fine, 6, 4, 2, and 8. Okay. But do they have... I'm pretty stuck. And that guy who's normally here telling me what to do is not here. So let's go to Reddit. I mean, I'm not gonna look up the answers. I'm gonna look up the hints if there are hints. Anyway, see this fragile. Please be gentle. There's no hint thread. Ah, I'll post on Twitter. Pretty stumped. Anyone got hints for event code 2017? Is that even the hashtag? Yeah, it looks like it is. Wow, nice. Kevin Yap. Oh, somebody followed me. Not too many tweets. That's me. Alex Math Warrior. Ale Xmas Warrior. I don't think that's his name. Oh, it's Alex Warrior. Alex Math Warrior. Oh, whatever. Damn it, I'm stuck. And only smart jerks know what to do. Let's output our count instead of outputting this. Wow, that's crazy. Doesn't seem possible. Let's go looking for combinations ourselves. So first I go 50, 49, 11, that's 110, and then 40. Okay, I found one. I also want to see the I should be able to trust. Ah, no. Okay. So the form list is. Oh, God damn it. Yeah, I mean. So really, it should be this. No, wait, it's form list. Yeah, it's FL. God damn it! 11412. Ah, damn it. Why does it always take me so long? Oh no, it's not right. Oh, I see. Because we don't care about duplicate things. So like, yeah. We gotta remove some permutations. So like, if you have buckets that are like 5, 5. If you have like, if you want 15 and you've got like 10, 5, that's 1. 5, 10 is not a different combination. Okay. So an idea is to do this. Static list int combo list equals new list int. And so we want to go through that list and make sure. Okay, so before we add a list in, we'll go remaining list or form list or sort, right? And then the order is nice. Okay, so form list is sorted, and the form list is sorted, and we need a way to check that the list is unique. Candidate. Okay, so we go for each var list in combo list. For is unique bool equals. No, we don't even need a bool. We'll just like if we have a problem, then no wait, we need to go through all the lists. So we go through all the lists. Yeah, okay, so bool is unique. So we go through all the lists and we say yeah, so okay, we get a list and we're going through all the lists and we let's just do this part first and I'll figure out that logic. I don't know why it's so hard. Candidate length count does not equal list count. What type is this? I don't know why that's wrong. Okay, I know why that's wrong, but continue. What's wrong with that? Yeah. Why the hell doesn't it have a count? What type is it? What type are you? How do I find out what type it is? It's not a local variable. Local variable int list. Right, yeah, okay, it's an int. We actually want a list of ints. Okay. So if they don't have the same length there, it's just oh yeah. unique equals true. If we do find the match, then we just break out and we're like, no, it's not unique. Yeah, so we don't need this bool. I was right. If, okay, and then we go for int I equals 0, I less than list non-count plus if list, and continue like the same way, candidate dot I equals does not equal list dot list I. No, here we want to check every element. Cool. Unique is false. That's true. Unique equals false. Hey, Nopage! What's up? What does Nopage mean anyway? Unique equals false. True. So if every element matches in the list, then we'll just... Oh man, this is so confusing. Is the list on? I just finished. Oh, great, thank you. I think I got the right approach, but I'm probably writing it way too much code. Okay, cool. Japon. Japon. Do you live in Japan? If you're in France, it must be really early. It must be like 6 a.m. Yeah, so if unique equals false, return. This is crazy. Yeah, very early. I would not. What's wrong? Oh, it's supposed to be bool. I would not wake up at 6 a.m. to do these challenges. I mean, for me, it's 1 p.m. Piece of cake. I'm doing the last one, but I'm taking forever because I'm insane. Yeah, I know. Return. What language did you do it in? Japan? It's not really the language's fault. It's more like my fault because I'm not so good at using lists and this kind of stuff. If is unique, fail, then plus plus, and then unique, list, combo list add FL. Okay, I hope this works. Too low. Oh man. If he says something, can you please repeat it? Yeah. The link is from a game I'm making, but It's not related to what I'm doing right now. What I'm doing right now is these challenges on adventofcode.com. It's too low. I don't know. I wonder how far I'm off. Is it running? It's still running here, actually. So I want to look at these combo lists. The 78. One of them is yeah, that looks correct. $40. Yep, that's correct. That's correct. So we don't have enough. We're not getting enough. Yeah, day 17. I'm generating my combinations like this, so it's kind of okay. So this is like a helper method to figure out whether the list is unique, and I don't know. I probably could have written it with LINQ, but the problem is like equals equating lists. LINQ match list contents. LINQ list comparison. Stupid everyone. I'm not gonna read this. I'm so mad at everyone who can complete it with and I can't. See, let's not check accept. Wow. Contains. That's dirty. So the way I'm building these is we've input the list up here, and then we just go across and we make a new list with one element, the first element, and then the remaining list is, yeah. Jesus. Yeah, mine's like 100. Yeah, somebody was telling me Python is good for this. I'm not so good at Python, so, but the syntax is quite good for like chopping lists up and comparing lists, I guess. Console is unique. FL. I would like to actually say how many times is not unique. See how many we're missing. That's static and not unique. Unique plus. Okay, and then we'll just break down there and look at it. What's wrong? What's wrong with that? Oh, it's because I was still building. Okay, so not unique is 11,334. Wow. Japan or Notepad. What was the output for you? Like, because mine is like 78, and apparently it's too low. List equality link. Enumerable sequence equal. Oh, that's quite good. Okay, thanks. I think it's not like it's just 654. So I feel like all the output should be in that range, like less than 1,000. Did you see what I'm doing is let me tell you what I'm doing. Maybe we can figure out what the hell I'm doing wrong. So what I'm doing is I'm getting all the permutations. So I'm building up a list of permutations. Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me just tell you what I'm doing. So I'm building up a list of permutations, and then every time we add to the list of permutations, we check to see if the sum is greater than 150. If it's greater than 150, we just terminate. If it is directly equal to 150, then we sort the list, and then we check to see if the list is unique. If it is unique, then we add it to the list of unique lists, the list of combinations. If it's not, then we just ignore it and we don't continue counting. But then because there's like two sets of 40, like, so there's one combination is 10, 40, 40, 50, right? Should we have that twice? Because 10, 40, 40, 50, that's once, okay. But we can also have 10, this 40, and then 50. Like, the way I'm thinking is that should only be one list. But when you did it, did you treat it as like two different lists? Because you have like a red 40-liter container and a blue 40-liter container. And then, in a way, they're kind of different. Anything get up to this one, two, 1, 3, 1, 4. Oh, serious? You can just do that? That's cool. Because the 40s is independent, of course. What do you mean by independent? So are you saying we should have two lists with the two different 40s or one list with the 40s? So 10, 40, 40, 50 and 10, 40, 40, 50 are two different lists or not? You just loop generating combinations. Yeah, that's what I did. So I'm generating the combinations okay, but I think this logic is wrong. Because if we look at like the combo list, it looks all correct. It's just that we don't have enough for some reason. 10, 43, 47, 50, 7, 22, 24, 47, 50, 7, 10, 36. I mean, looking at that, it's pretty hard to tell that is correct. I mean, one way is to just look at the ones column, see if it adds a 0, and then kind of say, yeah, okay, that looks like it could be correct. 1, 6, 3. Yep. 1, 6, 3, that is 10. 2, 3, 4, 7. That's 2. Wait a minute. 9, 12. Yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Maybe it's the way we're permuting. Oh, no. That's not a problem. feel like the combinations are going to be correct. I'm going to look at solutions, so I don't want to deal with this for too long. So hopefully I'll be able to see who's going to build all the downloads. Also, as auto requests to the site is running. That's right. Maybe problem is generation combinations but yes, I think I don't know. I think there's probably I know somebody downloaded a NuGet library to do permutations, so maybe I'll do that. It's kind of cheating, right? To make a permutation library. It's not good actually. Wait. So you can't do all the permutations because it'll just crash, right? Like, doing all the permutations for a list of 20 is crazy, right? So you're actually getting all the permutations for the list and it's actually okay? See, okay, so what I could do is, yeah, not crash random. Okay. So, instead of trying to validate on the fly, we could just done this in a second. Can you paste your code somewhere so I can look? Like paste it in Pastebin? Because I really feel like it's anyway, I'll just do it. So let's just comment this out because I'm scared to lose it. Form list, yeah, and then well, I don't know, maybe we'll just add it. If is unique fl start add fl. What? That shouldn't. Okay, I don't know what the hell that was. 0. Because we forgot to permute. So then we just do a permute again. Yeah, it's taking forever. It's Hastebin. You definitely use combination of them or just do the permutation separately, like store them. Editor tools, import combinations, open day 17, data equals follow rate, containers equals list map lambda x int x data.split that, and then I don't really get the syntax, but I'm total equals 0 for each range in length of containers for mix in combinations of containers. It's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. So that's just like reading it into a list of integers, right? Is this still going? Fuck yeah, it is. Let's get a permutational library, because I think, you know, like 20 factorial is 2 to the power 18, which is like a huge number. Okay, let's get a permutation library. So add, manage NuGet packages for library. Online. Permutations. I don't know. Combinatorics library for .NET. Combinatorics library for .NET. VM is a release notes. How the hell do I use it? Okay, great. Who made it? EONC. Hasn't been updated for 3 years. Okay, maybe we'll just have to try to figure out how to use it ourselves. That's cool. Okay, so let's add combinatorics into 17. What's it called? Using combinatorics, I guess. Combinatorics are collections that generate option. Combinatorics not generate option. We're not printing anything, I think. So it's, yeah. Fast increase with organization. So, okay. I don't know how to use combinatorics. Looks like it's just something we put onto a list. So we got a list of ints, and then while line equals reader.read line, container sizes generate combinatorics that generate. How do we use this? Just links to read too. Okay. or just permutations. And then container sizes. I thought we do have that up there. Oh, that's weird. Let's see what that gives us. Count. Wow. Jesus. Okay. Use combinations of permutations. Oh yeah, you're right. What's lower index? 0, I guess. Where does the I come from? Oh, okay. Well, we don't really know. Why do I have to put it in a loop? Yeah, no, the I is how big the combination is, but then we want all combinations. That's a good point because yeah, but if we do that, I think it's not going to terminate. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. I get it, but well, let's just do it and see what happens. What's going on here? Why is this thing here? Okay. The list container. Stupid C#. Why did you do that? Okay. Yeah, okay. So if we do that, I think it's not going to terminate. Oh, it does terminate. Never mind. So for each var let's call this combination list. Or just combo list. So what is this? What is this? This is a list of type. If of the sum equals 150 counts plus plus. $654. Okay. I mean, like, we did it, but we don't really know how to. What we like the way I was doing it was basically some sort of implementation of this, but doing it this way is kind of feels like cheating. You're just using a library to do the answer for you, and then look at this is all 150 liters. Ways can you fill a number of containers and still hold exactly? What? What's up? GG. It is cheating. You guys are cheating. So yeah. Anyway, I mean, I cheated too. So I kind of feel like the only one where it's fair to use a library is the JSON one because using yeah, I know. Because using JSON is just such a bitch. It's just not designed to not use a library. I mean, I guess most people would use a library with this anyway, but I don't get this. While playing with all the containers in the kitchen, another load of eggnog arrives. The shipping and receiving department is requesting as many containers as you can spare. Find a number of containers that can fit exactly all 150 liters of eggnog. What? What? I don't get it. Can you explain the second part to me? I don't get it at all. Oh, okay. So find the minimum number of containers that can fill exactly all 150 liters. That's quite easy. We can just do it like this. Did you do the second part, Mr. Frenchman? Yeah, it's quite easy. I think I got it. So this is 0. It doesn't fit. Oops. What's this? I is 1. It's not gonna fit. Let's just set a breakpoint in here. Counting was 4. So it's 4. And then there's 20. Is it 20? No, it's not 20. So we could just do it like this actually. We could just go 4. Just gonna just go like this. Oops. 57. I wonder what we did wrong. Great. Yep, I think we got it. Okay, great. GG. So, Japan or Japon, did you make it into the top? Did you make it into the leaderboard? Look at all these cheaters with their fucking Python libraries. No patch. Hey, nice. GitHub/no patch. Okay. Good job. Oh, looks like I've been committing a lot of code. Planet Defense. Decorator Buckcore. Yeah, Python's pretty cool. Oh, you're making a game, huh? Oh, I can't see it. Is it just that? Full heart. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching, No Patch. Thanks for the help. But you know what? It feels kind of bad because I think we cheated. I'm pretty sure we cheated. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.